अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद कर रही हूँ ठीक होंगे, खुश होंगे। मैं लाई हूँ आप लोगों के लिए आज बहुत ही लेटेस्ट सी वीडियो काजोल की, वो भी फराह खान के साथ। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
We asked for this. We don't want veg. There's salad takeaway. Oh my god, this is another one of my favorites. Jingri malai curry. This is like to die for. Mustard curry, khojur chutney. I love this kashundi by the way. Bekti fish fry, machar chop. That is
Someone who gets hangry, right?
it's better for the community at large that I'm well fed. Hi, bade mazaki ho, bade mazaki ho, bade mazaki ho. How do you say mazaki in Marathi? खूप मस्ती आहे तुझ्यात हा? खूप मस्ती आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे.
राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर
आहे.
आप घर में कुकिंग करते हो?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं खाती हूँ. He is genuinely a fabulous cook.
Perfect marriage then. He cooks, you eat.
Then what? I talk, he listens. There are lots of things that I demand as a mother. You can give me hugs and kisses on demand.
It's the rule same for Ajay sir also.
One look. Not at all.
Your respect passionately shows through during the Durga Pujo time.
I've been going to Durga Pujas from the time that I was a year old, serving at the Durga Puja. From the rasgullas to the begun bhajas, and it was only done by family. Of course, now it's a spectacle.
Your kids are also getting a lot of attention every time they have a public appearance. And of course, there are comments, social media पर जो भी बोले.
People will talk about you regardless of what you do. आप सही करो, गलत करो, आप मंदिर जाओ, क्लब जाओ, बुराई करनी है.
Are we going to see you and Ajay sir again in a movie? और आपने Kema Nacho.
First of all, I'm not a diya, by the way.
you're too cool to be a D.
Yeah, really.
Kajol, তুমি কেমন আছো?
আমি ভালো, তুমি?
ভালো. Did I say it right?
Yes,
though?
kind of, sort of.
How fluent are you with Bengali?
I love the way I'm correcting you, but I'm not fluent with Bengali at all.
आज का मेन्यू है Bengali food.
Yes.
And you are one of our favorite guests.
I'm so glad because I enjoy coming on your show, and I have to say that one of the biggest lures to doing your show is the food. One foodie always recognizes another, right?
Absolutely. So given your roots, now your dad's Bengali, but mom's Maharashtrian. You're married in a Punjabi family.
Who has a Sindhi mother?
Who has a Sindhi mother.
Yeah,
Oh my
Punjab,
God.
Sindh, Gujarat नहीं. Punjab, Sindh, Bengal, Maratha.
तो घर पर ट्रेडिशनल बंगाली खाना बनता है ज्यादा या नहीं?
नहीं, बंगाली खाना इतना ज्यादा बनता नहीं है. But we have like a certain, like we have the mustard fish curry,
Okay.
which is the most, which I love. So I've taught my cook how to make that. Of course, we have the begun bhajas, which we love.
Yeah.
So I love them at least. My kids used to like them as kids. Now it's become, it's fried. So all of that. Then of course we have the Maharashtrian section of the food as well.
Right.
Which we have all the vegetables and that we have the, I don't know how to, there's usal
Right.
that we make sometimes. There's misal, bhakris.
Yeah.
Those typical bhakris that you have, which you have with the butter, zunka bhakar. So yeah.
Like all hardcore Maharashtrian food being made at your
Food.
home.
Period.
Acha.
I mean, it's not only we eat it. I wouldn't say we always make it,
Yeah.
but we eat it.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember the first time you and Ajay sir came together on the show. It's one of our most viral videos till date. It's got like almost 2 crore views.
Wow.
But you
Yeah,
look like you've lost weight. Have you been like really watching your calories?
I
and-
have. I think I'm getting paid to do it, so I might as well, be a little professional about it.
You know,
Yes,
over the last 5 years, we've been meeting every year, and you are only looking one year younger every time we meet.
Wow, thank
So
you.
you're reverse aging clearly.
It's all the good food, I'm telling you.
Okay, I can tell she's very hungry. So before we get to the food, you're going to play a fun game. So now I'm going to drag and drop these images using the multi-control feature from my Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in your hand. इसमें dialogues भी हैं कुछ जिसे आपको हिंदी छोड़कर किसी भी और लैंग्वेज में इसे बोलना है. कोई भी चलेगा, आप मराठी बोलो, बंगाली, इंग्लिश, whichever language but not हिंदी. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिपब्बी.
Rifat B is not a rapper. I want to tell you that. You made us sound like a rapper. Rifat B. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया Rifat B. You can't say it in any other language.
You can say it in Marathi. माझा
Say it ना.
माझा पहिला प्यार अधूराच राहिला रिफत बी.
See? You only did it. Mind blowing. Next. अगर ये तुझे प्यार करती है तो ये पलट के देखेगी. जर ती तुझ्यावर प्रेम करते तर ती पलट के देखेगी.
अच्छा, now let's do this in English now.
Don't mess with me, huh? Wait. Hold on.
Okay, I'm just going to tell you what it is.
Oh, wait. I got it.
Okay.
Yo, dude, it's your turn.
The photograph that we have is Ali re Ali ata tuji bari Ali.
That's just mind blowing. I love the fact that you're speaking Marathi so fabulously badly. It's brilliant. Can you imagine Ajay Devgan doing that? Yo, dude, it's your turn. My mother says that no work is too big or small, and all work is like God.
Wow, sign for a Hollywood film.
Tan tan.
हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा, गैरों में कहाँ दम था, मेरी कश्ती वहाँ डूबी जहाँ पानी कम था.
You practiced this, man.
No,
Came,
I
you did. You practiced it and you came. Dude, nobody got the guts to do that to me besides my chick. They're gonna sign me to translate movies after this. Hi, बड़ी मजाकी हो, बड़े मजाकी हो. How do you say मजाकी in Marathi? खूब मस्ती है तुझे था? खूब मस्ती है.
This in Marathi will be fun.
राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे. राहुल चीटर आहे.
So we have some imaginary posters. अगर ऐसी movies आती तो उसका plot क्या होता, ठीक है? So let's fire up our imagination with a fun game. Thanks to the AI co-pilot feature on my Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, we've created some fun, unexpected movie posters where we would like you to star in. And you've got to tell me, what do you think would be the story plot? Okay? So first, let me just create these images and then I'm going to drag and drop on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So we all have seen Dilwale, but here's what we've created on AI, which is called Drillwale.
Yes, mind blowing. And drill वाले.
Drillwale.
हम दो electrician हैं. We do all kinds of electric work. Cool or कांटे too. It could be a rom-com, it could be a comedy, it could be a murder mystery. We don't know. We've kept the poster specifically ambiguous so that you don't know, ताकि आपको नहीं पता चले कि इस पिक्चर की कहानी क्या है.
I think that's a good selling point. Singham, never again. You have this expression like Ata Maji Satakli.
Singham, never again. Well, I agree with this poster for sure. इसकी कहानी is good cop, bad cop.
Okay. Who's the good cop and who's the
This
bad
is
cop?
good cop, bad cop. Good cop is me, the one in the uniform. See, you should know that. Then you should be
घर पर
standing
भी
up for me.
ऐसा है।
बिल्कुल.
घर पर भी ऐसा ही है. अच्छा, you're the good cop.
Absolutely. I will always sell myself as the good cop. No two ways about it. I'm the good
Okay.
cop, always.
So this is definitely one film we are looking forward to. और आपने, are we going to see you and Ajay sir again in a movie?
I'd love to, but I think he and me both agree that it will have to be something that suits us both as actors, that suits us both as to who we are today.
अब तक आपने हमें बहुत हंसाया है with your reactions to these photos. We want to treat you to a really nice Bengali meal, and I hope you really enjoy it.
Thank you. You know,
Okay.
that's the reason I see you every time, right? Because you're bribing me with food, always. I love this Kashmiri by the way. My mouth is watering.
Okay, so we begin with the appetizers. We are at O Calcutta. This place is known for delicious Bengali food.
Absolutely.
So if you can tell me क्या क्या है यहाँ पर?
This is the Bekti fish fry.
Chili.
Mashar chop. But basically it's banana flavored. So
Okay.
I like banana flavor. This is chana something very long and very confusing.
Okay.
But I have had it before and that's also like amazing. And this is my absolute favorite with this kashandi.
Okay.
I have like a whole bottle of it at home. It's mind blowing and my mouth is watering.
Okay, let's get started then. We know that you love fish and chips.
Yes.
That's not your like most favorite dish. And all
You
variants.
remember?
Of course.
This is fabulous, by the way.
Yeah. So by the way, I also went to your beautiful villa in Goa. It's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
How often do you go there?
Honestly, we've just been working. We have not really had the chance to go back there too many times, but we've been twice. But it's a beautiful villa.
Yeah, it
and the
is.
food.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Exactly.
Yeah, the team there I think is wonderful. They made sure that the stay was absolutely comfortable. I stayed in the same room as you guys. But what is it that you as a family really like to do whenever you all want to unwind? कोई ऐसी खास जगह है जहाँ आप लोग जाते हैं?
I think we as a family love to just chill together. We're one of those because most of us, I mean, all of us are so disparate in our lives. You know, my daughter's abroad. My son has school, and as we know, school is a full-time job.
Yeah.
And
Which grade is he in now?
he's in the 10th.
Oh, okay.
So he's, you know, got school. I've got work. Ajay's got work. So we're all busy. We don't have like, we're not like sitting at home and doing nothing. So we're all busy doing our things. So when we get the time, like Sundays and things like that, we like to have chill at home, chill with each other, catch up on the week, what's been happening, you know, with everybody. Ajay's sister comes over.
Yeah.
So, or my mother will come over. Well, it's family time.
We also saw your trailer of the movie Ma. Okay, and it looks absolutely amazing. Is this not like your first horror movie? मुझे नहीं याद कि मैंने आपको कोई horror movie में देखा हो.
This is my first horror film.
Okay.
And hopefully it won't be my last. Hopefully we'll have more in this series. It tastes like that. Tastes like galati kebab.
हाँ. But it
That's
doesn't
why it's
have
called-
like a banana flavor to it.
Mochar galawat.
आप घर पे कुकिंग करते हो?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं खाती हूँ.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. कभी कुछ तो ट्राई किया होगा. कुछ नहीं
इमरजेंसी
करते.
सिचुएशन में मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोग हैं
अच्छा.
खाना बनाने के लिए, अंडा बॉईल करने के लिए, टोस्ट बनाने के लिए. I can make toast.
Okay.
Does that count?
Is there a trick? Is there a unique recipe
Yes.
to it? What is it? Tell us.
The unique recipe is that is in the bread.
Oh,
You buy the bread
right. And then you toast
from a
it.
really good place
Okay.
and then you toast it.
Wow, that takes a lot of talent.
It does.
I can imagine.
It does. Do you
I
know?
can't wait to try toast made by Kajol ma'am, you know.
Yeah, you'll be really lucky if you get it. Seriously.
I know Ajay sir has not been this lucky so far,
No.
but he's a really good cook, is he not?
He's genuinely a fabulous cook. He's one of those people who can just, taste something and be able to reproduce it, which I find is the talent of one of the, best cooks. He's able to taste it and say, if I add this, and then he'll sit and experiment on it till he gets the right flavor of it.
Wow. But who's the bigger foodie between the two of you?
Oh, definitely me. जो खाना बनाते हैं उनको खाने का कभी इतना शौक होता नहीं है. खाना खाने का इतना शौक नहीं होता. खाना बनाने का बहुत शौक होता है. लोगों को खिलाने का बहुत शौक होता है.
Perfect marriage then. He cooks, you eat.
Then what? I talk, he listens.
Yeah. That's another thing. He speaks very less.
I know. It's a good thing that he's done this show with me.
Yeah.
Imagine that otherwise.
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, we were talking about the movie. Is there a reason that it has kept you away from horror movies? अब तक की नहीं है आपने.
I've not done it because of the fact that it's not had the best script. And for me, it matters, how you say it also. It matters what you say. The director matters. Everything put together matters. The character of this woman that I'm playing, her name is Ambika in the film. She's somebody who has, it's that inherent drive in a mother. Whatever happens in the world is fine. I will be able to protect my child from a bloody tsunami.
Yeah.
It's like you may not believe in a lot of other things, but you do believe in your ability to protect your child.
Yeah. And I think that's for all moms, isn't it? I think that's one role when they are playing, they're absolutely confident about. I know.
You never see any doubt in
You
them.
never see any doubt.
You never see any doubt कि मैं सही कर रही हूँ या गलत. At least they never show it to you.
Yeah.
They may cry later and may feel guilty later about it. But at
Yeah.
that point of time, there's never any doubt. Okay, whatever I'm doing, I know for a fact that it's going to turn out okay.
Yeah. It's also called a mythological horror movie. So why is it called mythological? मतलब कुछ इसमें कोई story है?
I don't know whether you know the story of Kali and Rakta Beach.
No.
It is the story of, we're sitting in Calcutta. And there is nothing more Bengali than Kali. There's nothing more. I think they worship her on another level altogether. Rakta Beach was a Rakshas who went and got a boon that every time a drop of his blood would touch the ground, a new Rakta Beach would be formed. So that's how he built his army.
Oh, okay.
Nobody knew how to defeat him. So obviously when that happens, what would they call? They always call big guns. They had to call Ma to come in and save them. And she came in and she killed all of them. And then she realized that they were all multiplying. The more she killed them, every time a drop of the blood fell on the ground, they would multiply and go further. So she thought about it. And then, I have to say, this is the gory part. She actually sat and she actually drank each one's blood so that the blood would not fall on the ground.
My God.
And that's how she killed him. So she was smart, intelligent, just like all women everywhere.
Yeah. No, I would agree to that. But, your respect passionately shows through during the Durga Pujo time. Are there any inferences or any stories that you've heard about her that really makes you feel so respectfully worship her?
So I've always been a mythology buff from the time that I was a kid. I've read every Amar Chitra Katha that there is. I've read all of it. Like every bit of it I have read. From the kings, the queens, the sadhus, the this, the that. I may not remember all of it, but most of it I remember.
Yeah.
And the one thing that struck me about all this mythology and which I loved was that in all of our mythology, we always claim creation with both Shiv and Shakti. But the Gaia is female. And the tag of creation is always from Ma.
Yeah.
And I love that about her. I love the fact that when nobody else can do anything, when you've defeated all your options, the last option is Ma.
Ma.
You have to pray. And I love the fact that every god believed in that, decided that, okay, the one god that we can pray to
Yeah.
is Ma, to come and save us. I've always felt that, like, that reverence, you would
Yeah.
say, from the time that I was a kid. Of course, I've been going to Durga Pujas from the time that I was a year old.
Yeah.
I think I remember it from the time that I was a kid. I remember standing with my dad and, serving at the Durga Puja from the time that I was 2 years old. I would pick up that little begun bhaja from the thing and serve it. And at that time, we used to give them banana leaves.
Yeah.
We used to have not many people coming from the puja because our puja was really small at that time. And it was only done by family and family friends and, put together.
Yeah.
And of course, now it's a spectacle.
Yeah.
But at that time it was just the family. So all of us children would stand. Each one was given a small thing to stand. So 2 kids would stand together. The older kid would stand with the big bartan and the smaller kid would serve them. From the rasgullas to the begun bhajas. We were only given rasgullas and begun bhajas. We were not trusted with the khichdi and we were not trusted with the chutney and all that. All that
Yeah.
the adults would do. I've never wished for anything. But if there was a prayer, if I had to say thank you, I mean, no two ways about it. When I stand in front of her, my head is bowed always, and I am just grateful to her for just being there and standing behind me always.
You said आपने कभी wish नहीं किया है, but is that really how it is? आप कभी कुछ मांगते नहीं हो भगवान से, because that's something
मुझे-
that a lot of us do.
मुझे ना मांगने की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि अब भगवान जो है मुझे इतना प्यार करता है, उसने मुझे जो भी दिया है मुझे मांगे बगैर दिया है. तो मुझे मांगने की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. And if I have stood in front of a deity, I would
Yeah.
say, because I go to Siddhivinayak also. I go to I've been to Dakshineshwar recently also. I feel that is just you. At least I feel like that. I feel so overwhelmed and so grateful for everything that I am and everything that I have, that I don't have the guts to ask for more.
But in life there are always highs and lows. कोई ऐसा वक्त भी आता है when you're not always happy, and life does disappoint you also.
Absolutely.
तो तब आपका कैसा होता है? तब भी you just say thank you, or then is there a time जो आप मन्नत मांगते हो या कुछ तब pray करते हो, और do you really think कि जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है?
No, it's a struggle to believe कि जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है.
Yeah, you have to
अच्छे
be
के
really
लिए हो रहा है.
involved.
I do believe that it always comes back to it. It's a struggle at that point of time to believe कि ये जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन बहुत खराब हो रहा है और बैंड बज गई. But at the end of it, 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद, you will come to that realization that it's the right thing for you. Maybe you didn't want it the way it was done, but
Yeah.
it was the right thing for you. I truly believe. I've had a lot of things happen to me, circumstances, the way things have happened. And I'm like, I question it. And I'm like, why does it have to happen like this? Why did this have to happen?
Yeah.
And then at the end of a year or 2, I realized that it had to happen like that only. ऐसा नहीं होता तो और बुरा कुछ होता.
हाँ. This is Lucci, right?
Lucci.
Lucci. Right.
This you have with good also. This
This is
my
the
favorite.
fish.
This is my fish with the mustard sauce.
You can tell
Oh my god, and this is another one of my favorites. This is Jingri Malai curry. This is like
Acha.
to die for. And that is Gobindo Bhat, na? Yes. Gobindo Bhat. It's a little sweet.
Okay.
So you can have that. This is the tomato. This is good. Khajur ka chutney.
खजूर का चटनी.
No, this salad takeaway.
I love it when my guest says salad takeaway.
What is this?
What else should we do? Grill.
We asked for this.
Veg.
We don't want veg.
We don't want veg. We don't want salad.
We had 2 dishes which are veg.
Yeah. How is it? This is like a bhatura, but this is not bhatura. This is
No.
still luchi.
It's called luchi.
Luchi.
Like how pani puri
Yeah. Oh.
is called puchkas.
Yeah.
So this is mustard curry that I was
Okay.
telling you about. Bhapa. This is the jingri malai curry.
Is that your favorite?
It's yummy. I can't tell you how good it is. It tastes divine. That's the khojur chutney. That is
Luchi.
Yes.
Luchi.
luchis.
Luchi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Luchi kahin ke? Nahi hai.
But it's an easier way to
Did
remember.
you say that? It's a UA show.
Yeah,
We
but
don't know.
luchi is not bad. Luchi is being naughty. At least in Sindhi, it means naughty. I don't know.
We'll say that we were speaking Sindhi.
Sindhi, yeah. And we'll get away with it.
The mutton is damn good.
Yeah. And how you mentioned about Kalima, of course, being fiercely protective. Do you also have the same attributes where you are also fiercely protective about your kids?
I am. Of course I am. And I think every mother is. But we also have to let our children grow. And we also have to expose them to the world and let them fall, let them find their feet and let them find their strengths. How will they find that all of that if we keep protecting them and keep them so close to us that they can never learn how to walk, forget, fly?
Yeah, yeah. But you're a public figure. And of course, your kids are also getting a lot of attention every time they have a public appearance. And of course, there are comments, social media पर जो भी बोले, उस पर आपको गुस्सा आता है, नहीं आता है, or you're like, okay, Nissa will deal it by herself.
Of course you get angry. Of course you get angry. You get upset. But like I told Nissa also, I think Nissa, you have to know what you are doing. And I tell you the same thing. I said as long as you are comfortable, you have to understand that everything else, people will talk about you regardless of what you do. आप सही करो, गलत करो, आप मंदिर जाओ, क्लब जाओ, दोनों तरफ तो आपको कोई बुराई करनी ही है. You can't take it so seriously that you worry about it and go mad about it. And I think both of them have figured it out on their own that how to deal with it.
Do you ever doubt yourself or do you ever think कि मैं किस तरह से कोई एक situation को manage करूँ so that your child opens up to you? I think that is the biggest achievement for any mother.
I think the biggest thing that we don't realize is that they don't want you to do anything. Is that they don't want you to try. I realized that with Nissa long back, is that she doesn't want me to try. She just wants me to be there. She just wants me to hear her out. And that's the same thing that I'll tell every other parent, that there is nothing to try. आपको कुछ कोशिश करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think you just need to sit and hear them out without judgment. Hey, oh God! They told me, hey, you did this? Really? How could you? No. Give them safe space enough to speak without being judged. And yes, it's difficult as a parent because you are thinking about all the things that, could have gone wrong or did go wrong or, in how many ways can you correct it or, what you can do about it. Shit, she got by me like this? Really? She did this? Oh God, I have to do this to circumvent it?
Yeah.
But you can't. You can't. For one, you can't protect them regardless of how much ever you want to, because of the fact that everybody has the internet. There's no way to protect them. So all you can do is prepare them for whatever they're going to see and face.
So this rice and that prawn curry is a combination.
Yes. This is what a true lunch should be like. Utter silence.
Yeah. No talking. पर अभी आप कितनी meals खा रहे हो? Is there a count कि बस दिन में one? Are you on like what is it called? OMAD. Yeah, one meal a day.
I wish I had the willpower to do it, but I'm not an OMAD.
No.
So
Okay.
no. I can't manage it. I don't have the willpower to do one meal a day.
You're also-
Everywhere I go, I'm only looking at the food. I'm giving people dirty looks.
You're also someone who gets hangry, right?
And how? It's better for the community at large
That you're
That-
well fed.
that I'm well fed, and I make no bones about it also.
Yeah.
So I think I'm quite clear. It's better for me better to give me my lunch break rather than deal with me without a lunch break.
Are you very particular about timings and all? Keith?
I am. I am very particular about what time I eat my food. My stomach is very particular about it. So I try and have my dinner by 6:30. Actually, Nissa is also a huge foodie.
Okay.
Nissa researches restaurants all over the world. So when I travel to London and things like that, she look up the restaurant, make the booking in advance. Monday we're doing this, Tuesday we're doing this, Wednesday we're doing this.
He's the one who's planning the itinerary.
Yeah.
And
Busy.
between you and Ajay, sir, who's that person? You all just rely on Nissa
Yeah.
for this.
Yeah, for sure. I want a little bit of everything. I have to make place for dessert. There
Of
are 3
course.
desserts coming. There
Yeah,
are 3 desserts
and you
coming.
have to make also.
4 desserts coming.
And you have to make a couple of them.
Babe, what did I discuss with you?
See, now I'm feeding you really well just so that you can make me a nice dessert.
I got a
the
great
idea.
idea. Why don't we get the cook only to make us the dessert and send it out? Seriously.
We'll learn from him, but we'll try our hand at it.
I am lazy. That's how I balance it. I make sure that I have time in between. I make sure that I have enough time for me as well. Because it's not only the food that I require on a regular interval basis, I require solitude also. Absence of people around me. So I'm very clear about that I need my me time.
Absence of people around you.
Yeah.
We know that you love reading books and you can go on for like many hours and just keep reading.
Days.
Books, right? Days.
Days.
Totally immerse yourself in a book and
Yeah. I finish a book a day.
one book a day.
Yeah. I can do a book a day. Easy. I still do it.
But you like always liked solitude, even when
Yeah.
you were young and single and not married, and you always had this thing.
I love it. I'm actually have zero social life because of that, probably. Because I mean, you have to be way more interesting than my book that I'm reading currently for me to get up and get out of the room. So
But you do have friends, don't you?
I do some. I do.
Yeah.
And gratefully, some of them are readers, some of them are not.
Yeah.
But they're all my friends and they love me as I am. And they know that when I need to be left alone, I'm like, call me guys.
Have you ever been on a solo trip?
No, I haven't. But that's another one on my list that I have to do. So I said, this year, I have to do. That's one thing that I absolutely have to do. Lots of people have advised me against it,
Yeah.
saying that it's not the best thing. You'll get bored with your own company. And I'm like, no, I won't. I really won't. And there's always a phone.
Yeah.
There's always, you can never be alone if you have a book or something in your hand. How will you ever be alone?
Yeah. So are there any things that you do to just pamper yourself?
There are lots of things that I demand as a mother. I also told my children, I said, basically, I have produced you so that you can give me hugs and kisses on demand. So it's not within your purview to refuse me.
Do they oblige always?
Yes, they don't have a choice in the matter.
Okay.
I have lots of punishments on hand which sound
I have a
absolutely
question
dire
coming
and
up.
horrible.
Is the rule same for Ajay sir also?
One look,
You don't have to say.
कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's the one thing that I would tell all mothers: be a little selfish. Show your children that you do get upset. It's not necessary to always put a smile on your face. Show them when you're upset, because they also need to know that you're human and that you're a little breakable as well, so that they treat you better, so
Yeah.
that they know better.
Yeah.
To understand exactly how fragile your feelings are.
आप किससे advice लेते हो when you really are seeking advice?
I do. The person that I go to for advice is my mom.
Okay.
My mother is the one person that I go to in any situation that I feel that I need to.
Okay, Kajal, before we move on to the dessert, we have a fun fan interaction call. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है, but we are going to make one follower of Curly Tales extremely lucky as they are going to get to do a video call with you using the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. And we have Avantika on call with us. Hi, Avantika. So, Kajol, we have Avantika on call.
Hello.
Hi ma'am, it's so nice to see you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So my first question is, if you could swap lives with one of your iconic characters, who would it be and why? Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or Simran from DDLJ?
I think Anjali for sure. I also like the part that the film ends at a point. I also like the part that it is not connected to reality at all. The reality never intrudes. They get married and that's it. I mean, there's no sass after that, no dad. I mean, there's nothing after that. There are no problems after that.
So my second question would be, you've seen Bollywood change from the 90s to now. If you could bring back one thing from the film sets of the 90s and one thing you love about today's sets, what would they be?
The one thing that I love about today's sets is Vanity Vans. This heat and, at least the convenience of having a loo around you is just too much. I don't think we can do without Vanity Vans. So yeah, I'd bring that to the 90s for sure. What do I bring back from the 90s? I think I'd bring back the 90s movies maybe. Maybe the music. Because I think the music in the 90s was really good. It felt like music. I don't know whether the music these days feels like music. Somehow it just doesn't have the same vibe.
What is that one movie that you and your daughter watch the most? And who out of you two is the bigger movie critic?
So Nissa is definitely the more is the movie critic for sure. She watches more than me. She has a definite opinion about all of it related to the world, feminism, world politics. All of it gets brought into it. But the one film that she and I have watched together, I think 4 or 5 times, is now Mamma Mia. We love it. We sing for every song together. We cry. I cry at places and she's like, Mom, stop it, please. I'm like, baby, but I'm imagining you. So all of that. We do the whole drama every time we watch this movie.
Thank you so much for answering my questions.
Thank you, Avantika. Nice meeting you.
Ready for desserts?
Yes.
Okay.
You know, desserts have a different stomach, right?
I do, yeah.
You realize that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Mishti doi. This is my absolute favorite. Kheer Kota. Oh, this is amazing, by the way.
Nice.
Why don't we try the Kheer Kota?
It has some filling also.
Yeah, it has a little gulab jamun inside it.
Oh.
It's yummy. And this is my ultimate favorite of all Bengali sweets ever.
Okay.
Is luchis and gur, which is the simplest
Yeah.
really that there is. But yeah, as we all know, simplest is best, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Wow. We really want to test the limits of your third stomach today.
Yeah, and how? And that's the ever famous Calcutta pan, which we may need.
Yes, to
Because
digest all of this.
All my 3 stomachs may need it.
Yeah. So you need 3.
Now you have to take a bite. Take this and just dip it into this gur and just take a bite. It's the best. Okay, like the best. Just dip like this. Dip, dip, dip. Just dip.
Luchi and melted gur.
Is it divine?
Wow.
It's so simple,
I've read somewhere else.
but it's
So good.
so good. I love Patali gur, yeah. So,
So
this
good.
gur is so good.
It's amazing.
This gur is only comes in the winter in
Okay.
Calcutta.
Okay.
So this is the only time. So whatever you buy during the winter, then it's gone for the rest of the year. So you put in your freezer for the rest of the year and you take it out in very stingy quantities and
Microwave it and have it.
Okay, you can have yours.
Oh, so she didn't want to share
No.
the patali gur.
I can have this plain. It's so good.
Yeah, this can be a good breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This is
Anything.
yeah. Wow. So Farah Khan recently said कि अगर हीरोइन सेट्स पर गिर जाती है तो वो मूवी हिट हो जाती है एंड दैट
कौन सी
हैपेंड.
हीरोइन है लेकिन?
आप गिरे थे कुछ कुछ होता है. मैं
लेकिन
ठीक से-
सब हीरोइनों के नहीं होता ना.
आप गिरते हो क्या?
I तो have quite a history of falling,
हाँ.
but yes, that was the whole thing. They were very happy. I think we were shooting for My Name Is Khan, and Karan was like, we've reached the end of the schedule. We are going back now, and you haven't fallen or anything like that. He was really worried about it. I was like, are you mad? How can you say this to me? Are you my friend? I mean, who wishes that on somebody, I don't mean you ill, but please एक बार गिर जाओ, बस एक बार गिर जाओ, कहीं पे गिर जाओ.
तो आप माँ में गिरे या नहीं गिरे?
माँ में मुझे तो फेंका गया है.
ओह,
मतलब they've thrown me from side to side.
फिर तो मूवी हिट है.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ. अजय देवगन as a producer has decided कि अगर कुछ कुछ होता है has made money because she fell once, I will make her fall 50 times so that it makes 50 times the amount that कुछ कुछ होता है has made. So
Well,
yes,
we really hope it does.
touch wood.
Touch wood, yeah.
आपके मुंह में गुड़ और घी.
मेरे मुंह में लुच्ची और गुड़. Kajol, it's been wonderful talking to you, eating with you. It's always a laughter riot, and also now stomach is so full.
And I'm planning to pass out.
Okay.
This is the kind of meal that you need to go to sleep afterwards. There is no
Absolutely.
plan
Yeah.
beyond that. Yes.
Okay, but the trailer of Ma looks amazing, and we're looking forward to 27th of June when this film is releasing.
Absolutely.
And I'm pretty sure that the movie is going to be amazing. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for introducing us to lovely Bengali dishes. And
जिक्र करते हैं रोटी के साथ पटाली गुड़ खाने का एक अलग ही मज़ा है, और वही कहते हैं कि एक अलग सा सोंधापन, एक अलग सी मिठास, एक अलग सा टेस्ट होता है उसका, और वो आप रोटी के साथ खाते जाओ या वैसे रूखा भी खाओ तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो मुझे हैरानगी होती थी, मैंने कहा कोई गुड़ से रोटी या गुड़ से पूरी कैसे खा सकता है. आज मैंने देखा वाकई खा सकते हैं भाई, और इसका टेस्ट बहुत ही अनदर लेवल का होता है. वाकई उन्होंने कहीं सही कहा काजोल ने कि सिंपल चीज़ें जो होती हैं ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव होती हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी होती हैं. अच्छा, खाने में भी कुछ चीज़ें बहुत सिंपल हैं लेकिन उनका टेस्ट एक बहुत ही नेक्स्ट लेवल का होता है. बहुत ही फूडी, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बात करूँगी, बहुत ही फूडी और बहुत ही टॉकेटिव, बहुत ही बातूनी. यानी कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस हैं बॉलीवुड में ऐसी जो काफ़ी बातूनी, काफ़ी टॉकेटिव है, जैसे कि लाइक काजोल को ले ले. प्रीति ज़िंटा के हवाले से मैंने ये बात सुनी है कि काफ़ी बातें करती हैं, काफ़ी मतलब उनकी कंपनी में कोई बोर नहीं हो सकता. इसी तरीके से काजोल भी जिस तरीके से एंटरटेन कर रही थी, वाकई ये एंटरटेनमेंट से वाबस्ता है, पता चल रहा था. खैर, बहुत ही माहिर कलाकार हैं, बहुत ही महारत के साथ अपना रोल निभाती हैं, बहुत ही उम्दा किस्म की एक्टिंग देखने को मिलती है. और उनने मतलब मैं ये कहूँगी कि एक अरसा दिया है, अपनी पूरी लाइफ दे दी इस चीज़ को. अपने आप को जिस तरीके से उन्होंने, बहुत फिटनेस के हवाले से बहुत बातें होती हैं इनके. मुझे नहीं पता कि इतनी फूडी है, किस तरीके से उन्होंने खुद को कवर करके रखा है, लेकिन हमारे साइड पे लोग कहते हैं भाई काजोल तो आज भी जवान लगती हैं, आज भी यंग हैं, आज भी कोई उनको कह नहीं सकता कि वो एजड हैं या वो इतने सालों से इंडस्ट्री में हैं. तो कहने का मकसद ये है कि उन्होंने अपने आप को बड़ा मेंटेन करके रखा है और ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. अच्छा, माँ मूवी के हवाले से भी देख रही हूँ, आजकल बहुत हाइप बनी हुई है, बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ भी देखने को मिल रहे हैं, बहुत सारी बातें भी हो रही हैं. अब मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हो रही हूँ कि देखूँ, क्योंकि इस किस्म का प्रोजेक्ट काजोल के हवाले से पहले कभी आपने नहीं देखा. एक हॉरर मूवी के अंदर काजोल को देखना हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, नया होगा, यूनिक होगा. अब आप देखें लोग इस चीज़ को पसंद करते हैं, कितना सराहते हैं. फिर इसके अंदर जैसे माँ की शक्ति का भी बताया गया है, फिर जाहिर सी बात है दुर्गा माँ के हवाले से भी है चीज़ें, मूवी है तो उसके अंदर भी उनकी एक पावर और वो किस तरीके से प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं और किस तरीके से एक विलेन जो भी इसके अंदर जो भी बुरी चीज़ें हैं या जिस बदी के अंदर या चुंगल में फंस गई हैं काजोल या उनकी बेटी, तो वो उसको किस तरीके से निकालती हैं, किस तरीके से उसका सर्वनाश करती हैं, खात्मा करती हैं. तो ये देखने को मिलेगा हमें. मूवी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है स्टोरी तो बहुत अच्छी है, स्टोरी बेस बहुत अच्छा है. और बिल्कुल ठीक कहा उन्होंने कि इससे पहले इनको शायद एक होता है ना कि प्रोजेक्ट तो मिलते हैं, हॉरर के हवाले से तो चीज़ें ऑफर हो रही होंगी, लेकिन स्टोरी भी तो देखता है ना बंदा। हर प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने देखा है कुछ ऐसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं सिर्फ पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करते, वो अपनी इमेज के लिए, अपने काम, अपनी सलाहियत, वो ये देखते हैं वो रोल हो जिसके अंदर वो अपना काम, अपनी सलाहियत दिखा सकें, और जो उनको मनवाए, वो रोल हो, वो कैरेक्टर हो जो उनको मनवाए, आगे चल के जो उनकी पहचान में मज़ीद इजाफा करे। तो ये भी होता है। तो उनमें से काजोल हैं जो मैंने देखा है बहुत सिलेक्टेड काम करती हैं और बहुत यूनिक काम करती हैं। ऐसा काम होता है उनका कि लोग उनको बहुत पसंद करते हैं और सराहते हैं। खैर, बहुत सारी बातें तो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी हैं और जो रिएक्शन होता है वो ड्यूरिंग द वीडियो हो ही चुका है। बहुत मज़े मज़े की बात हुई, बहुत फ़नी सी एक मुझे लगता है इंसान है। और हस्बैंड के हवाले से मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि वाकई हस्बैंड उलट हैं, जितना ही बोलती हूँ उतना खामोश रहते हैं। खाती हूँ वो कुकिंग करते हैं बेचारे, जो बोलती हैं वो सुनते हैं। तो ये चीज़ ऐसा कॉम्बो होना चाहिए तो फिर लाइफ अच्छी गुजरती है, लाइक इन लोगों की तरह ही गुजरती है और शायद कोई कमी नहीं होती लाइफ में। हाँ, ये है कि अप और डाउन आते रहते हैं, डिसअपॉइंटनेस भी आती है, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि जब डिसअपॉइंटनेस आती है तो ये कह पाना है कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, उस वक्त तो पता चल रहा होता है आपको कि जो हो रहा है बुरे के लिए ही हो रहा है, बुरा ही हो रहा है शायद, लेकिन इन फ्यूचर फिर आपको रियलाइज़ होता है। तो बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी हैं जो बहुत गहरी बातें की उन्होंने, बहुत मैच्योर है, लेकिन आज भी उन्होंने अपने अंदर के एक चाइल्ड को आज भी मुझे लगता है ज़िंदा रखा है। बहुत ही मज़ेदार वीडियो। दोबारा किसी और वीडियो के साथ आपसे मुलाकात होगी। जब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।